Just wanted to get you guys a quick little update. As you can see, the wind speed is increasing and the snowflakes are getting a lot bigger. If I could grab one without it melting, I'd bring it up to the camera and show you. But as you can see, snow accumulation so far is about 2 to 3 inches of snow. Maybe, I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, that's about 3, maybe even 4 inches in some parts. Like I said in the forecast, we've got 12 to 24 inches of snow coming. This is more of a wet snow than what we had last time. It was all powder. So this stuff is gonna weigh down on the power lines. I can tell you just looking at my shed here, there is definitely some large icicles coming off and they're pretty big. They've officially issued the no travel advice for Interstate 94 again. They have not closed the interstate yet, but I think that is on the way. That's what's gonna be happening next. As you can see, some of the lawn furniture out here, even the table and the gas fire pit is getting covered with snow. These are the early stages of the blizzard. We've been in this warning now for about 3 days. We knew this was coming. Maybe you can see the side of my fence here. It is definitely accumulating on the side of the fence. This is more of a sticky snow, like I said. And check it out. It's almost like a mix between rain, snow, and ice. Like looking into it, it's hitting my face here and making my glasses all wet. I'm gonna try to collect some of these snowflakes and show you. A few other updates on this crazy weather in North Dakota. On the eastern side of the state near Fargo, between Fargo and Jamestown, there were 3 confirmed tornado warnings. One of them was confirmed tornado on the ground just southwest of Valley City, moving north towards Jamestown. The other 2 were south of the Fargo area, kind of following I-29 up to 94. As it gets colder north of Fargo, none of those storms will be able to sustain a tornado. But with that in mind, there are still tornado watches across eastern North Dakota going up into northern Minnesota in some areas. A couple other things, this massive snow accumulation across western North Dakota is really going to help with our extreme 4-year drought that we've been in. And so this is really going to help the grass in the springtime grow nice and green. We won't be in these burn bans that we've been dealing with for the past 4 years. So I just wanted to get on here real quick and give you guys a brief update. Again, we're probably going to be going live here shortly as this snow really starts to accumulate. The wind is supposed to pick up even harder. I know down by the South Dakota border, winds are nuts. 55 mile an hour right now here. If I had to guess, probably 40 mile an hour. I could always check the radar, but we're trying to do this live and in real time. So obviously this will be a recorded video, but stay tuned because future updates, we'll probably be going live soon. I've got the camera in a little bit of a zoom here, so hopefully you can see these snowflakes a bit better. They're definitely large. These are larger than the ones that happened during our last blizzard. And you can see almost complete whiteout conditions past the block. So I'd say you have a block and a half, maybe 2 blocks of visibility before it's completely over. And obviously on interstate, that is going to be a lot worse as driving conditions are no travel advised across Interstate 94. And as the sun goes down and this stuff starts to freeze, that usually makes conditions worse. So they are probably going to close the interstate by nightfall. You can take a look at some of the snow accumulation here on the rooftop of the neighbor's garage. And we can get you a shot up here of the pine trees from earlier. You can see a bit more snow and ice packed. Crazy stuff. Some of those power lines, these aren't actually power lines. These are the ones that go from the power line to the house. But the power lines are collecting ice and snow as well. We'll keep you updated.